Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I'm excited to share with you what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for January. You have until January 14th to sign up for the Hearts and Kisses Valentine Treats class. This is a to-go class, and it includes the kits to make 5 fun treats. So here's one. It's a little easel desk pad, stands right on your desk. A little pocket for lollipops. This guy, little takeout container for some chocolate hearts. This one, fun little lollipop cover. That's 4. And our last treat, it's a little box for lip balm or lipstick. The class is $52 and it includes a half a package of the True Love Designer Series paper. You'll get 24 6x6 sheets. It includes a half a package of the matte black enamels. You get a full spool of both Magenta Madness in color ribbon and Real Red stitched ribbon. Your class kits come all cut, scored, your punched shapes like the new oval. Your die cutting is done for you. You'll cut your own designer series paper, stamp and punch your own images. I cannot stamp images for you, but the kits are all completely organized. Let me show you. I don't have one of the Hearts and Kisses class packets done yet, but let me show you what you can expect from a Kitchen Table Stamper class packet. This was our December Warm and Cozy Treats class. And so when you get a class from the Kitchen Table Stamper, it's labeled with the name of the class and the month and year so that you can find it. Each of the packets are labeled with which project it is, what size you should cut your designer series paper, and your ribbon or embellishment. Your die cutting and punching is done for you. So is your cutting and scoring. So you'll get a packet like this with kits for each of the 5 projects that I showed you. And in addition to that, I provide the treats for the class. So in this class, you'll receive your double crisp hearts, your charms, minis, a lip smacker, lip balm, a lipstick, pen, your sticky notes, and the Yummy Lips lollipop. So all of your treats. Class is $52 and that includes USPS priority shipping right to your door. If you'd like to add the Hearts and Kisses bundle to your packet, that's $41. So your class would be $93. If you'd like the links to order the class, email Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the online classroom.